Hi everyone, I'm Dian. I'm from Langkawi, Malaysia. So now I am using ChiltanPure. I'm gonna show you how to use it, and I'm gonna tell you the ingredient as well. It's very healthy. So let's unboxing ChiltanPure. Okay. So next.
Packaging is very good. It's very cool.
Yeah, the packaging is easy to open. It's very convenient. You can bring it anywhere. So it's easy to bring. You can put in your pocket, you can put in your bag, or you can just hold it and just going anywhere. It's really convenient. So for use it's just easy peasy. Just open and then use your finger, or if you want to use your own brush, you can use your own brush as well. And then just round, and then just put on your lips. Yeah, it's hydrating. I can feel it. Yeah. ChiltanPure.